3, 2, 4. Sit down. Tanggalin yung ibang spring. Itira ang 2 red. 2 red daw ang itira dyan. Higa. This is single leg workout. Toes on the foot bar. One more. Left leg on the tabletop. 3 set or 4 set of 10. This is the first set, the tabletop. Pantay yung leg sa kabila. This is the first 10. The second 10, extend the left leg forward. And you bend. Bend. One more, push the left leg and bend. This is number 2. The number 3, straight lang ang leg. Pero mababa yan. Pag kaya pa nyo, number 4, lower the left leg and you lift. Lower the left leg and you lift. Good job. Stop. Tabletop. Yung right leg, always busy. Don't bring it down the heel. Gamitin yung malaking buto sa right foot. Pag nahirapan kayo, you press the heel of the hand, you push the back. Inhale deep, exhale to the front. Push the right leg. Stop. Ready for 10 count. Bend the right knee down. Inhale. Exhale, push 1. Down and 2. Exhale, push in 2. Down and 3. Exhale, push in 3. Down in 4. Exhale, push in 4. Down in 5. Exhale in 5. In 6. Exhale in 6. In 7. And 7. In 8. And 8. Down and 9. Push in 9. And 10. Down, extend the left leg, alternate. And 1. Push the left leg. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. And 9. Keep moving the right leg. Straight the left leg lang. 1 and 1. Straight lang left leg. 2 and 2. 3 and 3. 4 and 4. 5 and 5. 6 and 6. 7 and 7. 8 and 8. 9 and 9. 10 and 10, lower the left leg and you lift. And 1, and lower, and 2, and lower, and 3, and 4. Kaya ha? 5 more. And 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and hold. Push the right leg all the way. Yung left leg push to the ceiling all the way. And bend the right knee. And down. Feet apart. Dalhin yung paa. Toes down. Toes. And then side to side. Stretch. Slowly. Slowly. Good. Sarap yan. Kabila. Ready? Left foot. Right leg on the tabletop. Press the heel of your hand. Push the left leg. Push left leg straight. Ready? 10 count. Bend down. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Down. 2. 2. 3. The third all the way. 4. 5 and 5. 6 and 6. 7, 7, 8 and 8, 9 and 9, and 10. Extend the right leg, go, bend the left, and bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep moving the left leg. Straight lang ang leg. 1 and 1. Straight lang ang leg. 2 and 2. 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6, 7 and 7, 8 and 8, 9 and 9. Lower the right leg and you lift up and push 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold and down. Feet apart. Feet apart and side to side the leg. Good. Okay. Arm series tayo. Yung tali yan, strap na sa use the big strap. Big strap to your hand. Good. Now, straight yung kamay. Yung shoulder nyo, shoulder blade to neck. Bring it down the shoulder. Huwag nyo i-round. Baba. Pero straight yung kamay. Open yung hands, the finger. Tabletop the leg. Imprint the back. Kailangan may resistance yan sa kamay. Inhale, press down the hand, exhale down. And you control up, inhale up and 2, exhale, press down and 2. Inhale up and 3, press down, exhale and 3. And up and 4, exhale down and 4. Inhale up and 5, press down and 5, and hold. Now turn in your palm, facing to your leg. Shoulder down, mahaba yung arms. Open yung arms in 45. Open the kilikili. Press it down. Exhale, 1. Open. Inhale, exhale, 2 and 2. Good. Inhale, 3 and 3. Press. Inhale in 4. Press down in 4. Last one. In 5 and hold. Let's combine. Para ka lang gagawa ng circle. Bring up the arms. Stop. In the letter T position. Pull it down. Press. 2, 1. Arms up. And the letter T. Pull it and 2 and 2. Arms up. Up. And side. And 3 and 3. 2 more up. And side. And 4 and 4. Last one. Up. And letter T and 5 and 5. And hold. And then reverse in the letter T position. Up. And you press down. And 5. And the letter B position. Up. And press down. And 4. 3 more. Letter T. And up. And press. Last 2. Letter T the arms. Last one. Good. And press your hand good down. Press down. Tricep forward out. And bend the elbow. Palm facing to the mirror. Good. And then press the palm.